we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Equator 24-inch, heat pump dryer, 3.7 cubic feet, 20 pounds, eco-sensor ventless, 110 volt. Consists of the following features. Experience the future of laundry care with the Equator ED 890 HP heat pump dryer. Designed for both efficiency and sustainability, this compact yet powerful 110-volt dryer is perfect for homes where space is limited but high performance is essential. With a generous 3.7 cubic feet capacity, you can dry up to 20 pounds of laundry, making it ideal for everything from delicate fabrics to heavy bedding. Its ventless design and advanced heat pump technology ensure energy-efficient drying while preserving the quality of your clothes. Offering 7 drying programs, including air, heavy, delicate, and dry option, the ED890 is equipped to handle various laundry needs. A special drying rack gently dries your shoes, coats, and delicates and prevents tumbling. At the same time, its built-in humidity sensor automatically stops the dryer when your laundry is perfectly dry, preventing wrinkles and saving energy. With a compact design of 34x24x26 inches, and featuring a touch control panel and LED lights, the ED890 complements any home decor. Key features include a wrinkle guard function, a refresh program, a quiet 66 decibels noise level, and overheat auto control for added safety. Whether you're stacking it with your washer or using it as a freestanding unit, the ED890 HP offers flexibility, convenience, and peace of mind. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.